After visiting several one-to-one districts across the state, the superintendent has asked me to create a team so that we can research the pros and cons of purchasing new devices for each student. We've also been charged with determining the best device for the purchase, and given the fact that our district does standardized tests online, which network will we have that will be most effective? Our school currently has 7 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, and 1 high school, employing 489 full-time teachers and serving approximately 7,400 students. 45% of those students are economically disadvantaged, as reported by the latest state report card. Each room in the classroom now has been standardized with a minimum of 5 desktop computers, interactive whiteboards, document cameras, LCD projectors, a teacher station that includes laptops, docking station, and a docking station. Elementary school has a computer lab located in the library media center. Middle schools have additional computer labs for scheduled class uses. Based on the information in our technology plan, we've decided on 3 different goals. Goal 1, is to create a reliable, scalable connectivity for students to access digital resources and digital tools. We're looking at 500 megabytes per 500 students at a speed of 2 gigs. This will give us the opportunity to build a robust technical infrastructure that extends high-speed connectivity in every classroom. Strategies in order to complete this task. First thing we'll do is create a needs assessment at each school. Based on the needs assessment, we'll update current infrastructure to increase the size. The 21st century learner will use these tools for collaboration and communication. The timeline set for these specific events will be: first, create a needs assessment, update the infrastructure, increase the connectivity in every classroom, and by the year 2020, we expect to have 500 megabytes per 500 students at 2 gigs. Our second goal is to ensure that each of our students operate on a one-to-one device system. Based on us being able to operate in a one-to-one device, we have to define the usage for students, in addition to giving out handbooks for the usage to each parent, student, and staff member. Expected outcome: based on using these different devices, we expect to increase our test scores by a minimum of 5%. Our goal 3 is to introduce students to web-based tools and social media. It's been researched and stated that using the internet, web-based tools, and social media is the 21st century learning skill that is going to be designed to help our students to be successful in the future. Some of the strategies that will enhance the learning will create research opportunities for our students. It will introduce more social media tools for education, and it would allow us to make a real-world connection using news blogs and information sites. I know that the implementation of web-based strategies and the implementation of these things is important, so there will be training and professional developments on how to implement these different web-based social media aspects in the classroom for not only just the teachers, but for the students and for the parents. Our budget is simple. We're looking at each student will have a Chromebook purchased at $169 per Chromebook, and the handbooks that we would create are simple. We're looking at $1.02 for each handbook for the students. So thank you for your participation and your active attention in our technology plan.